everybody, I'm Laura Keys from Caravan World. We're here on Jayco's production line where, among other things, they fit the walls and roofs to their caravans and pop tops. In this video, we're going to show you how Jayco makes its walls and roofs and how it fits them to the caravans. So let's go check it out. Ever the innovator, Jayco caravans are not built in the traditional Australian style, which generally comprises a timber frame and ribbed aluminium cladding. Instead, Jayco uses the tough frame to build its RVs. The Jayco tough frame is a vacuum bonded sandwich construction, which sounds good, but what does it really mean? The Jayco tough frame is essentially a strong, lightweight aluminium frame with polystyrene insulation, internal and external plywood, finished with a high gloss fiberglass on the outside. The aluminium frame is pre-cut, laid out and welded into shape. Ply sheets and insulation are added before a computer-aided laser shows workers where to place galvanised sheeting. This galvanised sheeting is where the furniture will be screwed into later on the production line. Tough frame walls are about 19mm thick, while the roofs are a little bit thicker. Workers here produce about 18 or 19 walls or roofs a day. In the temperature-controlled laminating room, the walls and roofs get their internal and external ply and external fiberglass finish. A sheet of fiberglass laminate is laid out, then a giant glue gun runs over it. More ply and glue is added before the frame is laid, followed by, you guessed it, more glue and more ply. Even this early in the building process, every wall and roof going through lamination has already been assigned an order number for a customer. So specifications, such as the colour of the splashback, have to be included at this time, as they require a different coloured piece of ply. Once the sandwich has been assembled, it's rolled into one of two vacuum presses. Jayco workers have 9.5 minutes from the time they lay the first layer of glue until they get the piece into the press. The press takes about 25 minutes to bond all the layers together and create the tough frame. When the wall or roof rolls out of the press on the other side, they are stacked before being moved to a router where a CNC program cuts out all the apertures for the windows, doors, roof hatches and air conditioner. They are then stacked again, ready to be moved onto the production line. Windows are added to the pre-cut holes. The aluminium checker plate for Outback models is also added here, and the wheel arches are cut away. The walls are then ready to be loaded onto the chassis. This is done with the help of an overhead suction system, which helps lift the walls into place. The timber frame is built on the production line and is lifted directly onto the van. Once the van is moved along the production line to a gantry, the final touches to the roof's construction can be made. This includes lots of electrical wiring for things such as the lights, air conditioner, solar panel and more. Following the wiring, the insulation is laid, followed by another layer of ply which is stapled to the frame. Finally, the one-piece fiberglass laminate skin can be rolled out, and a router is used to cut the apertures for the roof hatches and the air conditioner, which can then be installed.